We want to address a few common misconceptions that we regularly hear about the California Data Exchange Framework, or DxF. Myth: any participant can access our organization's client or patient information whenever they want to. Fact: the DxF establishes the rules of the road for how health and social service information is shared, and only when it's legally permissible to do so. If you cannot legally share information with another organization today, the DxF doesn't change that. Myth: we need to connect our EHR or other electronic system to a centralized database. Fact: the DxF is not a new technology or a centralized data repository. It instead just provides the guidelines for how to share health and social services information. For example, what the technical standards and the data formats are that you need to use to exchange information. Myth: non-HIPAA covered organizations can be DxF participants, so my client or patient information is not secure. Fact: the DxF requires all participants, regardless of HIPAA status, to adhere to privacy and security safeguards. These requirements include following parts of the HIPAA privacy and security rules, having annual privacy and security training for staff, and having a written privacy and security policy and procedure. Myth: my organization needs to join a qualified health information organization, or QHIO, to comply with the DxF. Fact: for many organizations, using a QHIO will make the most sense, as the state has approved them to serve as a DxF data exchange intermediary. However, there's no one required tool or technology for the DxF. You can use any methodology, including an EHR, an HIO, national network, or a combination of systems for the DxF, so long as you're complying with the data sharing agreement and the policies and procedures.